Hello again. Last video, part 3, we learned how to make, let's see the code, how to make a constant, and we learn how to access it just by using this. And we learn that we cannot override the constant. And we learn how to concatenate two strings together like this. If you want empty space, you can put empty string between them. Should be space between them. And we will continue also today with dealing with string. So for example, string, this is what we write. You can make it like single quote, and you can make it double quote. So this is, you can use both of them, no problem. But there is an extra benefit when you use double quote. So I will show you what I mean. So for example, let's echo something inside a string. So if I say hello, my name is, and now I want to use a variable. So I want to use the variable name. So if I use this and I write name, you can see now it's different color inside the string. But what if we put singleton? Now it's not. So let's say this one, what will happen? I get the sign and the name, so I didn't get a dynamic variable here. It's just a string. This is the benefit from double quote if you use it, because you will get a dynamic variable. You can use a variable inside the string. So what we will see now, it's hello, my name is Mike. So let's check this out. We refresh. Hello, my name is Mike. As you can see here, it's already Mike. So this is the benefit from double quotes as a string. So if you don't want to use a dynamic variable, or you don't use a variable inside the string, you can use a double quote or singleton. But if you want to use a variable inside the string, so you need to use a double quote. So what happens if we use another like this, another variable? Can we do this? Let's check. So we can do this. You can use as many as variable inside a string. So this is also really cool in PHP. So we learn how to use variable inside a string. It's so easy one. And we'll learn something else. For example, if we want a length of a string, how to know the length of the string? There is built-in functions for this. So let's say you want to know the links of the name, links of this, how we can get a links of this. Or what you need to do, str, which is string, and len, it's length, and this is a function, so you need to put it inside a circle brackets. So this is a function, it's str, it means string, it's this function work on string, and len, it's short for length. So this is, it will give you the length of the string name, and this is, should be string, not a number, for example. So let's check what we will get here. We should get 4. Let's check if we refresh, and we get 4. So this is how we know the length of the string, by using strlen, so string length function. So there is another function which also str, because it's function for string, and if we go to 2, you can see already we have too many options, but like there is to lower, there is to upper. Let's use first to lower. So str to lower, and we have here one capital letter Mike, but he will make all string to lowercase. Let's take this out. We should now have Mike with all letter lower case. Even the variable itself start with capital letter. So this is the str to lower. There is str to upper. It will make exactly the opposite. It will make all string to uppercase. Let's refresh, and we get everything. We don't need this one. So as you can see, it's everything to uppercase, and this is the function str to upper. So this is 2. Okay, there is one more I want to show you about strings. Okay, there is only one more I want to show you, one useful one. It's str also. Let's delete all of this. Start with str, and we have many options here, but I will show you the replace one, so and how we can use it. So str underscore replace, take 3 parameters, and you can see the parameters here: mixed search, and mix replace, and mix object. So first, which one you want to replace it, here with what you want to replace it, and here from which object you want to replace it, or sorry, subject. So let's say we have Mike. I want to change the name, so I want to change the K. Let's say I want to change the K. I need to put it inside a string. Inside Mike, I don't want the K, and I want to replace it with N, for example. And from what? From the name. So let's put name. So I want to replace the K with n inside the variable name. So if there is k, I want to replace it with n. So first one, what do you want to replace, with what you want to replace, and from what variable you want to replace. So let's check what we should get. Mine, not Mike. So let's check what we will get, and we get mine. So this is also a good function. You can use it in the string for PHP. This is everything for today. I will see you then. This is part 4. I will see you on part 5. Till then.